Hi everyone, this is Raha and Miss Tina's here helping me do 9 plus 5.
Awesome, Raha. And you're not using your fingers anymore, so I'm looking forward to seeing something where you don't use your fingers. So, how do you want to do this? Or should we make sure that there's 9 and 5 for people first?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is this?
This is 9.
Okay, so 5 and 4
equals 9.
Okay, and here?
And there's 5.
Yeah, you just probably see the 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you want to do this question, Raha?
So I split the 5 into 4 and 1.
Okay, so 1 and 4. So I'm going to just move this over because this is the 5. I'm going to move that over. And there's like an invisible wall right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I go 9 plus 1 equals 10.
Okay, so let's see. So 9, I'll take the 9 first. Okay, there's the 9. And you said 9 plus 1. So I'm going to take this 1 here and I'm going to put it in there. Okay, so 9 plus 1. What does that equal, Raha?
10.
10. And then 10 plus 4.
Equals 14.
Perfecto. It's a really great way of not using your fingers. You're awesome.
Hey everybody, I got my friend Nikki here today who's going to talk about a great idea for solving 9 plus 5, right? Why don't we get 9 out? So we're going to go 9, so this is
5.
5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
and then we need
5 more.
5 more. Okay, what's your idea?
My idea is to split 9 into 5.
Yeah, 5, okay, and so you're going to split the 9 into 5, and what's left?
9.
So 5 and
4.
4. Okay, good. And then what do we do?
And then I want to split the 5 into 5 and 5. So it makes 10.
Oh, what a great idea. So this is 10. And then what?
So then I add 9 more. And then I add 4 more.
Okay. 1.
2, 3, 4.
So what's 10 plus 4?
14.
So what's 9 plus 5?
I think, wait, 14.
That's great. Awesome work.